Very good. So when you collimate in, you want to make sure that, right, there's still light past the skin. And on the decubitus, you also want to make sure you have light on the table. The reason is, use the vertical button, lift this up. Keep going up. Yep, not that one. Yep, vertical at the bottom. Okay, lift it up. All right. You see the light going away from the table here? All right, you see how now you have this shadow along her bottom edge? Okay, if you do not have light here on the table, you are clipping her anatomy. You need to have light here. Light on the table is the same thing as having light on the board past your skin. Okay, so always make sure when you are centering for MSP, bring this right arm back down. Okay, you see how we have light above the shoulders here? So we have a bit too much light here. So let's collimate this in as well. Yep, tighten up our collimation, bring it right there to the corner of her shoulder, top of her shoulder. Good. All right, arm back up, please. So this is centered to T7, centered to MSP. She is perfectly lateral on the table. She has no OID, the board is right here against her back. Okay. We've collimated in. All we need now is a marker, which is sitting over there. So, which marker are we going to use? Left. So, normally we would like to use a left marker. Where am I going to put my left marker?
You choose the side up.
Important things to note about the decubitus position. In a normal scenario, you want to build up the patient. So normally we would actually have extra sheets right here underneath the patient. There's two reasons for this. One, if you take a look at her, her back is actually curved like this. Do you see that? Right? It's because the shoulders and hips are wider, the middle of the chest is narrower, it sinks down. So this curves her. You put some extra sheets here, raise the middle part up, get the back nice and straight. All right, so normally if you had extra sheets, you would want to do that. Secondly, you want to put extra sheets all along here under the shoulders and hips as well. The reason is, do you see how the board has an edge? Okay, this edge does not capture X-rays. There's an edge at the bottom as well, which means that if we shoot the sheets are going to be where the edge is. You push her up, so her bottom edge is now in the middle of the plate, and now we can catch all of her chest. So those are the two reasons it's important to build up the patient on an actual decubitus X-ray. Here we don't have extra sheets, so I'm not able to demonstrate that, unfortunately. Okay, and then finally, breathing instructions. What do you think they are? The same. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, take another deep breath in, hold your breath, X-ray, breathe normally. Very good. Okay. As a student, you will not be in my position. You should not be holding the X-ray board the way I am. Okay? The priority of holding the X-ray board is family member, tech, student. But if there's no tech to hold the board, I don't know why you're with the patient.